Saloni is asking, sir, we could have booked a profit here. We could have booked our profit here. See, I would have 100% booked my profit here. Being the RSI here, I could have booked it. Right? Now, what you are saying is one of the trading strategies. Is one of the trading strategies, but it goes something like this. It goes something like this. See what is happening here. What is happening here? What are you getting? Candle outside the band? Are you getting candle outside the band or not? Are you getting candle outside the band or not? Now see, are you getting one more candle outside the band? Are you getting one more candle outside the band? Now tell me, RSI is at 70, overbought or not? This candle comes inside the band. Is it giving me entry or not? Is it giving me entry or not? It is giving me entry or not? Is it giving me entry or not? It is giving me the entry now. 960, see, 927. This being my stop loss. What will be my stop loss? How much points? 927 to 998. What is my stop loss? What is my stop loss? What is my stop loss? No, 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 no. See, 927 and 997. That means 70 points is my stop loss now. 70 points is my stop loss. Can you see that 70 points is my stop loss? This is not a momentum strategy. This is a reversal strategy. In a reversal strategy, what is the first target? In a reversal strategy, what is your first target? Mean. So can you see the mean got touched at 870? The mean got touched at 870, right? But see, on the mean itself, is it giving you a rejection? And the prices are bouncing back. So if you are very good conversant with Bollinger Band, if you are very good and conversant with Bollinger Band, you could have taken a buy position here again. RSI is bouncing for the mean, so there is a high chance it will go up. So once this is formed at 920, by putting a stop loss of 850, you could have gone for a buy position. But guys, see, this can be too much for a person who has just started out with a technical analysis. So if somebody is having a sound grasp on technical analysis, they can enter a position also. Yes, but understand. See the option prices. Can you see 880, 920, 950,000? Are the small prices or big prices? Are these small prices or big prices? Big now. So don't ever think that you will allow it to go to zero. If you allow it to go to zero, will in your next trade, will you make 800 points? Will in your next trade you will make 800 points? Guys, understand. This is what many people do. They think because I have got option, what is the risk? What is the reason I should book a loss? What is the reason I should book a loss? I will carry it. So it will again become, if the profit is there, I am an intraday trader, and if the loss becomes, I become a long-term trader, long-term investor, long-term investor, right? Long-term investor. Now see, right? Now see. Hey, what I have done right now is I have displayed you a strategy. I have displayed you how all the strategies that you already know. You can apply it in the option. But where is the trick? What is the hard part here? 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 No, 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 Saloni, you might have I forgotten your last class. Choosing the right strike. Which strike to choose? Which strike to choose? Remember in the previous session when we were doing long-term strategy, were we giving importance to strikes or not? Were we giving importance to strikes or not? So, guys, how did I arrive at 30,700? Any idea? How did I arrive at 30,700? Any idea? Guys, you know why? You know why? When the class was getting finished, when the class was getting finished, I told the class that if you want to take a position right now, around 12:15, 12 to 12:15, if you want to take a position right now, first see where the market is. So Bank Nifty was 30,700 something, 30,700 something. So what would be the near strike? 30,700 or 30,800? You getting my point? 30,700 or 30,800, right? So guys, see what is the setup making? What is the setup making? What is the setup that is being made? Reversal. So why this setup would be made? Why this setup would be made? Because Bank Nifty might be doing something. Bank Nifty might be doing something. Can we see what Bank Nifty is doing? Can we see what Bank Nifty is doing? Can you see the Bank Nifty is giving you the exact same setup? Can you see the Bank Nifty is giving you the exact same setup? Now for tomorrow, you should be interested for a call or a put. You should be interested for a call or a put. Tell me which strike you would be watching. Tell me which strike you would be watching. Tell me which strike you would be watching. So guys, can you see there is a setup that is getting worked out? Can you see a setup that is getting worked out? You see there is a setup that is getting worked out, right? So guys, if tomorrow I get a breakout above 730, that is easily possible. Easily possible. Can I get a buy entry tomorrow? Can I get a buy entry tomorrow? Guys, tell me, a thing like option, which was earlier looking lot of rocket science, now it is looking easier or not? Now is it looking easier or not? Right? So guys, see, I always tell people, there are three courses that we go that I personally take. One is intraday, one is futures and options, and another one is the technical analysis. So if somebody does the technical analysis first, then he does intraday or futures and options. But if he has done the technical analysis course first with me, all these things that I'm explaining, becomes a lot easier because we do the same thing to greater detail there, right? So guys, understand. People love to make it complicated, so you are dependent on them. You are dependent on them. But what you will find is, if things are easier to explain or understand, it becomes a lot more effective. It becomes a lot more. Uh, any person who is interested in trading intraday, right, Mr. Vishal? I start from the scratch. The entire technical analysis I start from the scratch. Okay? So now, guys, see. My point is, can this go up to 840? Can this go up to 840? Now, guys, see. If I buy here 730, my stop loss would be what? 695. Can I keep it at 690? Can I keep it at 690? So guys, tell me, 730, 690, 40 rupees. 40 rupees is my stop loss, right? But guys, see here, what is the beauty? If you buy here at 730, it can go up to 840 or 820 or 850 also. That means I am getting a risk reward of 1 is to 3. I am getting a risk reward of 1 is to 3, right? But guys, see, if you buy any stock that is of 720 rupees, can it go up to 840 same day? Can it go up to 847 days? No, na. And see, this is having a potential to go to 960 also. And that can never happen in a stock. That can never happen in a stock, right? So guys, are you seeing the opportunity in trading? Are you seeing the opportunity in trading? The only thing that will again work against you, the only thing that will work against you is you yourself. Is you yourself. You don't put stop loss, you make random entries, you try to make more entries, then only it can hamper you. But if, if you are very clear how to go about it, I'm not promising every trade will be right. But guys, you will end up making some kind of profit. Believe me, you will be making some kinds of profit. Forget about making losses. Right? So I'm not promising you any kind of a fairy tale, but your probability of making money will increase. The thing that seems like a lottery right now, na, lottery, will turn to be more like a controlled trading. It will become a more like a controlled, right? So guys, this option trading, option trading, right? Are you finding it interesting or not? Are you finding it interesting or not? Right. Now guys see here. Now guys see here. I've got a couple of questions. I've got a couple of questions. Harsh has asked, should we also consider strike price chart with carry position also? Right? And Urmi has asked, sir, we should select strike price on the basis of OI or not? On the basis of OI or not? See guys, understand. Whatever I have explained to you in the up till 4 classes are still valid now. Are still valid. First and foremost, understand this. If you want to make a bull call spread, can you select your strike price considering considering the Y? Can you select your your strike without considering the Y? No, na. So the whenever you want to take a longer term view, you want to carry forward your option position, either buy or sell. Take a position based on why only. Don't bring technical into picture. But suppose you want to make a bull call spread. Suppose you want to make a bull call spread. Guys, 1 minute, 1 minute. Is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear now? Now, guys, tell me, in a bull call spread, my view is something like this. Remember, my view is something like this. So, guys, can't it be when I'm watching a chart of Nifty or a Bank Nifty or any stock, I found out that it has, see, my plan is something like this. My plan is something like this, right? But this I can get an idea when the RSI has breached 50. Can I buy? Can I buy a call? Can I buy a call? Now see, if this RSI will go, where it will hit? The RSI will go, where it will hit? 70. Here it will get a resistance or not? Here it will get a resistance or not? So guys, still you need to select the strike or not. I got the idea the prices will increase. So there are two ways to do it. Select a near strike and select a proper strike above some level, right? But the other way is select a near strike based on OI and select another strike based on OI. So guys, understand, once you know this, that you can trade option on the basis of chart, it doesn't mean that every time you will bring the chart into equation. But if you want, you can take it. If you want, you can make it, right? But now see guys, suppose you think 14,800 will be a good resistance and 14,100 will be a good spot. Can I make a triangle here? Can I make a triangle here? But these prices I might get, I might get on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of technical analysis. But if I see a better OI at 14,000, don't you think I should choose a strike of 14,000? Don't you think I should choose a strike of 14,000? So it will give you a margin of safety also. It will give you a margin of safety also. So guys, this is how you have to combine. This is how you have to combine. As more and more information you will get, now you have to become more choosy how you are going to apply. How you are going to apply. This is clear? This is clear? This is clear? Right? Right? The guys, what will happen in Nifty? Will it be like a bank Nifty? Will it be like a bank Nifty? Or will it have a lesser or more volatility? What do you think? What will happen in Nifty? What will happen to Nifty? What will happen to Nifty? Similar. Let us see. Now guys, can you see, is it showing you any kind of a level? Is it showing you any kind of a level? Can you see this trading at a level of this level? So guys, tell me, if the prices tomorrow starts to go towards 14,410, 14,410, don't you think there will be a upward movement? Don't you think there will be a upward movement? It will work. The triangles will work in options also. If you're comfortable with triangle, you can use that triangle also. 14,410. What will happen? What will happen if the price goes towards 14,410? Will it give you a positive movement or not? Will it give you a positive movement or not? Will it give you a positive movement or not? So at that particular price, that is what I'm saying. If it breaks it, the level is broken. So what would be your strike price? Which strike you would be looking at? Which strike you would be looking at? Which strike you would be looking at? 14,400. You would be looking at a strike of 14,400, right? Now see how it is, how 14,400 is looking right now. Now see how 14,400 is looking right now. See guys, this is a hypothetical thing that we are doing. Don't think I'm saying tomorrow it will go to 14,400. Can you see it is in a narrow band? Can you see it is in a narrow band? Can you see one price movement? It will be above 60. One price movement and above it will be above 60, right? So guys, tomorrow this can also be one of the strikes that you can watch. Tomorrow this can be one of the strikes that you can watch, right? So guys, understood how to select strike, how to select strike. Acha, my point is there is one important thing that you should keep it in mind. What makes Bank Nifty more lucrative than a Nifty in option? What makes Bank Nifty more lucrative than a Nifty in option? Price movement. But don't you think a very fast price movement sometimes creates a problem for us? A very fast price movement creates problem for us. But another problem that we see is the lot size is 75. The lot size is 75. Remember, the lot size is 75. What is the new lot size is going to be? What is the new lot size going to be? Bank Nifty is 25. Nifty is 75. So The new lot size would be 50. So don't you think now Nifty will also become attractive? Now Nifty will also become attractive. Going forward, the lot size is changing. Most probably from June or July. No, most probably from June or July. So guys, understand. You will see Bank Nifty will remain 25 only. Bank Nifty will remain 25 only. Right? So guys, see, will the option prices change? Will the option prices change? Will the Nifty price will change? Will the volatility change? That means the range will change? No, nothing will change. Only good thing will happen. Or lot size will come down. Your risk will come down. Right? Right? So guys, if you personally ask me from all these six classes, this is one thing that can be a game changer. This is one session, 1 2.5 hour session that can be a game changer for anybody, especially in options trading. Especially in options trading. Guys, see, approach it like a study. Approach it like study. Right? The more serious you are, the more implementation you do, the better you become. Don't treat it like a lottery. See, normally it is marketed like do a 6 day course and start making money. It never happens like this. It never happens like this. Right? See, one of my commodity course, I have planned it for 88 lectures. Understand? 2 months. Right? So guys, understand. See, it takes this much of a long time for you to master anything over a period of time. So guys, my advice would be keep on experimenting with the strike prices. Keep on looking at as many charts of options as possible. As much chart of options as possible and keep it simple. Keep it from the buying point of view and trading point of view. Buying point of view and trading point of view. Right? So guys, I would be stopping here. I would be stopping here. I have shared my number. I've shared my number. I'm sharing it again because in the last class, now it will become too much of a thing for everybody. This is my number. If you are having any query, any doubt, you can connect me with me better on a WhatsApp. Right? Better on a WhatsApp. See, Mr. Vishal, what is happening now? Understand? We are trading in options. So in options, if I trade in a 5 minute, it will give me a tighter stop loss. Tighter stop loss, nothing else. You can trade in 15 minutes also. But your stop loss will become sometimes a big one. Sometimes a big stop loss will be there. Right? So the room of error goes down. So there is nothing in the time frame. Only thing is small candle, small stop loss, small target. Small stop loss and small target. Is this clear, Mr. Vishal? So guys, we are going to meet for the final session on Wednesday. We are going to meet for our final session on Wednesday. And keep practicing, keep watching videos, right? Thank you everybody, thank you everybody, thank you everybody.